Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Flow. I am Maya. I am really happy you are here today. If you are listening to this, it means you want to improve your English, and that is something to be proud of. You do not need perfect English. You just need to start. And today, you are starting.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and I want to say something very important at the beginning. Please relax. You do not need to feel pressure. You do not need to understand every single word. Just listen. Just enjoy the conversation. Your English will grow naturally.
Yes, learning English naturally means learning the way children learn, by listening, by repeating, by using English in real life, not by memorizing hard rules. Today, we will talk like real people, friends talking, simple words, simple sentences.
That is right. Real conversations are not perfect. People stop, people repeat, people make mistakes, and that is normal. You are allowed to do the same.
Continued. Let us imagine a simple situation, a very real situation. You meet a friend after a long day, maybe after work, maybe after study. You are a little tired, but you are happy to see your friend.
Hi Maya, how was your day?
Hi, Daniel. It was a long day. I had a lot of work to do. How about you?
Same here. My day was busy too. I feel tired now.
I understand. I feel tired too, but I feel relaxed now.
Did you hear those sentences? They are very common, very simple. How was your day? It was a long day. Same here. I feel tired. These are sentences you can use every day.
Repeat. It was a long day. My day was busy. I feel tired. I feel relaxed.
You can change the words. You can say, my day was good, or my day was stressful. Stressful means you feel pressure.
Yes, stressful is a useful word. For example, you can say, today was stressful, but now I am okay.
Today was stressful, but now I'm okay.
You can say it too, even quietly. Today was stressful, but now I am okay.
When you use English like this, it becomes part of your life, not something separate, not something scary.
Nod. Let us talk about feelings. Feelings are a big part of real conversations. People often ask, how are you?
Hi Maya, how are you today?
I am good. A little tired, but happy.
That is a perfect answer. Good, a little tired, happy. Simple and natural.
Explained. A little means not too much. For example, a little tired, a little busy, a little nervous.
Add examples. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little busy today.
I am a little nervous. I am a little busy today.
Encourage listeners. These small words help you sound natural.
Continued the conversation. Daniel, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually relax. I drink tea. Sometimes I watch something light.
That sounds nice. I usually talk to a friend or listen to music.
Talking helps me too. It makes me feel better.
Turn to listeners. This is real English, talking about habits, talking about daily life. You do not need big words. You need honest words.
Nod. Let's practice a simple question and answer together. Listen first. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually relax at home.
In the evening, I usually relax at home.
Added. You can change this sentence. In the evening, I usually study, or I usually cook, or I usually rest.
Use your own life. That is how English becomes easy.
Continued warmly. Now let us do a short shadowing practice. Listen carefully, then repeat in your own voice when you are ready. I usually relax in the evening.
Repeat clearly. I usually relax in the evening.
Said again. I usually relax in the evening.
Encouraged. Say it again later today. Say it while walking. Say it while resting.
Maya smiled. Learning English is not only about sitting and studying, it's about living in English.
Daniel added gently, and remember, mistakes are okay. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Maya agreed. Every sentence you try is a success. Every word you speak is progress.
Daniel concluded this part calmly. You are doing great. Keep listening. Keep practicing. English will start to feel natural.
Maya closed softly. This is just the beginning, and you are already moving forward. Welcome back. If you are still listening, that means you are doing something good for yourself. Learning English takes time, but every minute you listen, your brain is learning quietly.
Yes, even when you feel like you are not learning, you are learning. Your ears are getting used to English sounds. Your mind is understanding patterns.
Agreed. Today, we will continue with real conversations, simple situations you faced every day. No pressure, just listening and enjoying.
Ban again. Maya, do you remember when you first started learning English?
Yes, I remember. I was nervous. I was afraid to speak. I thought people would laugh at me.
I felt the same. I wanted to speak perfectly, but that stopped me from speaking at all.
That is very common. Many learners wait for perfect English, but perfect English does not exist.
Real English is about communication, not perfection.
Continued. Let us imagine another everyday situation. You meet someone new, maybe a neighbor, maybe a classmate. You want to talk, but you feel shy.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
My name is Daniel. What is your name?
My name is Maya.
Smiled. This is very basic English, but very powerful.
Explained softly. When you meet someone, you do not need long sentences. Short sentences are better.
Repeated slowly. Nice to meet you. My name is Daniel.
Repeated. My name is Maya.
Encouraged listeners. You can use your own name. Say it. My name is...
Added. When you feel comfortable, you can add more. For example, I am from Pakistan, or I am a student, or I work in an office.
Gave an example. I am from the city. I work during the day.
Repeated naturally. I am from the city. I work during the day.
Said warmly. These sentences are simple, but they open conversations.
Continued. Now let us talk about asking simple questions. Questions help conversations grow.
Asked. Where are you from?
Answered. I am from Pakistan.
Repeated. Where are you from?
Repeated. I am from Pakistan.
Added. You can change the country, you can change the place.
Smiled. Asking questions shows interest. People like that.
Agreed. Yes, you can also ask, what do you do?
Answered calmly. I am a student. Or I work as a teacher.
Repeated slowly. What do you do?
Repeated. I am a student.
Encouraged. Try saying it in your own words.
Continued gently. Now let us talk about daily routines. People often talk about their day.
Asked. What do you do in the morning?
Answered. In the morning, I wake up early and get ready.
Smiled. Very natural, very real.
Explained. Wake up means when you stop sleeping. Get ready means you prepare for the day.
Repeated. I wake up early. I get ready.
Repeated. I drink tea.
Added. You can change tea to coffee or water.
Nodded. Use words from your life. That makes English easy.
Continued. Let us practice question and answer together. Listen carefully. Asked. What do you do in the morning?
Answered slowly. In the morning, I wake up early and get ready.
Repeated. In the morning, I wake up early and get ready.
Said again. In the morning, I wake up early and get ready.
Encouraged. You can repeat this later today.
Continued warmly. Now let us talk about feelings again. Feelings are important.
Asked softly, how do you feel when you speak English?
Answered honestly. Sometimes I feel nervous, but I feel proud when I try.
Smiled. That is beautiful. Nervous means afraid. Proud means happy with yourself.
Repeated gently. I feel nervous. I feel proud.
Added, you can say, I feel confident or I feel shy.
Repeated. I feel confident. I feel shy.
Encouraged listeners. Feelings are okay. All feelings are okay.
Continued. Now listen and repeat this sentence when you are ready. I am learning English step by step.
Repeated clearly. I am learning English step by step.
Said again. I am learning English step by step.
Added, step by step means slowly, one step at a time.
Smiled. You do not need to hurry.
Continued calmly. Many people think they are too late to learn English. That is not true.
Agreed. It is never too late. Your brain can learn at any age.
Said warmly, believe in yourself. You are capable.
Closed this part gently. Keep listening. Keep speaking. English will start to feel like a friend, not a fear.
Added softly. And remember, you are not alone. We are learning together.
If you are still here, that means you are serious about your English. And we are very proud of you.
Yes, many people start, but not everyone continues. You are doing something special for yourself.
In this last part, we want to help you feel more relaxed with English, not tense, not scared.
English should feel like a tool, not a test.
Exactly. You are not in school right now. You are just listening and learning.
Let us talk about another real situation, talking with friends.
Agreed. Friends talk about simple things, life, food, plans, feelings.
Hey Maya, how was your day?
It was good. A little busy, but nice.
That sounds normal. Busy days are common.
When someone asks, how was your day? You do not need a long answer.
It was good. It was busy. It was nice.
It was good.
You can also say, it was okay, or it was tiring.
Tiring means you feel tired.
Let us practice together. Listen and repeat when you can. My day was busy.
My day was busy.
My day was busy.
Simple sentences build confidence.
Now imagine you want to talk about food with friends.
Food is an easy topic.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice and vegetables.
I ate rice and vegetables.
You can change the food: bread, chicken, fruit.
Talking about food is natural and fun.
Continued. Now, let us talk about plans. People often talk about tomorrow or the weekend.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will study English.
That's a great plan.
Will is used for future. Tomorrow, I will study.
Tomorrow, I will study English.
Tomorrow, I will study English.
You can say, I will work, I will rest, I will meet friends.
Use English for your real life.
Now we will practice questions and answers together. Listen carefully. How was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
It was good.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice.
I ate rice.
I ate rice.
What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will study English.
Tomorrow I will study English.
See, you are already speaking English.
Even short answers are real English.
Now, let us practice shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat the full sentence.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
This sentence is powerful. Say it often.
Here is another sentence. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Every speaker makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Now, listen to this sentence. I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
Even if you don't feel confident yet, say the sentence.
Your brain listens to your words.
Now let's talk about motivation.
Learning English can change your life. New jobs, new friends, new confidence.
But even without big dreams, English helps you express yourself.
Your voice matters.
Do not compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to yesterday.
If you understand more today, you are improving.
Some days will feel slow. That is normal.
Progress is happening, even when you can't see it.
Keep listening, keep repeating, keep believing.
English is not difficult. Fear makes it difficult.
And fear disappears with practice.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You are doing great. Be proud of yourself. Keep going.
We will meet again. Until then, speak English, even a little, every day.